Hi, we're back with another 123 Dream It video. For today's video, we're showing you how to use the binding adjustable foot. This binding foot is special for placing different bias sizes, so we'll need different width of bias. The measures we're using are 1, 3/4, half, and 1/4 inches. Also, you'll need universal needles for your sewing machine and thread of the same color of the fabric, scissors and a piece of fabric, ironing surface and an iron. We're going to use the 2-in-1 portfolio by Omnigrid that includes the current mat and the ironing surface, and the binding adjustable foot. Remember that you can find this binding foot and the bias formers in the Lift kit. If you want to learn how to use these bias formers, just look for our last video. We're going to start making the bias strips of different weights with your formers. This binding foot is suitable for all familiar sewing machines and has snap-on input. With the right upper screw, you can adjust the position of the stitch. The lower part has a terminal board with measures. And in the right side, a small nut that is for the adjustment of the size of the bias. Now, place the bias under the binding foot and put it inside the fabric like a sandwich. Remove the standard foot of your machine and place the binding foot. When sewing, you'll see how the bias is going to the same distance. And now, you have a perfect finish on both sides of the fabric. We recommend to iron the bias to settle the seams. Now you know how to sew the bias very easy with this binding foot. If you want to watch more videos like this one, you only have to turn on the notification bell, so you'll be notified for any future videos. Subscribe to the channel and don't forget to go to 123dreamit.com.